Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Google account that originally uploaded the clip, because only the uploader or channel manager can delete it. Once signed in, go straight to YouTube Studio and click Content to list your uploads. This is faster than searching the channel manually. Make sure you actually have ownership or manager permissions, since removals require account control. If the video is on a brand account, switch to that account here so you can act on the correct channel. Once you locate the file and content, use filters or search to narrow to the exact upload. This prevents accidental deletion. Next, click the video's options menu, 3 dots, and choose Delete Forever. YouTube will warn you that deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Before confirming, make sure to remove it from playlists, stop any monetization links, and unlist or revoke embeds elsewhere to prevent ghost references. Doing those steps avoids broken links and analytics confusion later. To finish, read the deletion prompt carefully, tick the confirmation box, and click Delete Forever. This removes the file from YouTube servers and stops it from appearing in searches. Once done, clear cached embeds or CDN copies if you control other sites, and let collaborators know so they can update descriptions or links. If the video resurfaces elsewhere or someone reuploads it without permission, use YouTube's report or copyright takedown tools to request removal. This protects your content after deletion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.